Hi there. So you have completed your opening activities and now you're watching the orientation video. So what do you do now? Well, let me give you a quick guided tour of the class. First, let's click on right up at the top. You have on the left Lone Star College Online. Right next to that you have the name of the class. If you click on that, it takes you back to our home page. This is the home page of our class. It has the title of the class up here, and underneath that it has announcements, it has a calendar, it has updates for things that you need to be doing. I will be posting announcements in here on a fairly regular basis, so do check here every once in a while just to make sure. You can also look to see what's coming up for due dates on the right side. The next thing you should do is click on Content. Content is where almost everything you need will be. So you have your table of contents over here. Now under table of contents on the left side, you'll have, first of all, you have everything under table of contents. That's going to outline everything that's here. But you can click on the need help in case you want to ask something on the help discussion board here. Next, you can click on the weekly modules. This is where you will have what's due on a weekly basis. So you can see here that we have week 1, what's due. And if you want, you can drill down by clicking week 1 over here just to magnify it a little bit. And there'll be a little announcement up here. There'll also be a short video of introduction here eventually. That's going to be posted shortly. So by the time you see this, that'll be here. You'll be able to scroll down and you'll find a weekly time allocation. Week 1 reading study guide. Week 1 lecture. That'll be another video. You'll find a reading quiz. You'll find a reading reflection, and you'll find a reading discussion. Now for week 1, the reflection and the discussion are both optional. They will not be optional moving forward. And at the bottom of each week, you'll find whatever project we're working on. So for the first couple weeks, we're working on the self-concept project. This is not due till week 4, but you should get started on it right away. Now the way this works is all of the due dates and times are up here, as well as in the calendar in case you forget, as well as how much time I think everything should take you. Now one of the things you should be doing is a time allocation quiz. It's called the quiz in D12. You're not getting graded on it, so don't worry about it. But you should fill it out because that is part of your participation grade. I have estimated how long I think you should take for each week. Now usually the estimate I have is more hours than I actually think you need, but I would like you to schedule those hours all the same. If you scroll down more, you can look at our syllabus. You can look at our class schedule. There's something called the Mega Quiz, which you'll learn more about later this semester. There's something called the Club, which won't be open for a couple of weeks, but be on the lookout for that. There's Everything in One Place, which is all of your assignments, all of the new assignments, old assignments, all of your study guides. Everything will be in this one spot if you want to find something quickly. If you forgot what week we read chapter 7, you can go right here and find the chapter 7 study guide. Except it's not here right now, but it will be here. I don't know why it's missing, but it will be there eventually. Time allocation logging is also in Everything in One Place. If you ever need to go back to the opening activities, you can do that if you forgot how to get to the Facebook group or to join Remind Text Alerts. So that's just a quick overview of the course. The rest of the things you might need, obviously this is where your grades will be. If you ever want to get directly to a quiz or a Dropbox, the assignments are what we call Dropboxes. You can go directly there. You'll notice some things are not open. For example, this won't open until next week. I'm recording this before classes begin. If you have any questions about where anything is, the best thing you can do is to go to the discussion, the help discussion, which should be, it's right here, need help, got help, right in the middle. So you should look that up if you need any help. Excellent. If you have any questions about where anything is, you can always post it there, or you can ask me, let me know. I hope the navigation of this class is easy for you, but if there's anything I can do to make it better, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.